Hi, this is Cass and you're watching Taco Gaming, and today I'm gonna be doing my ADL and we're going to make mango milkshake. Okay. The ingredients is mango, mixed evaporated milk and sugar and ice. Then you'll need a blender. You can buy a blender if you don't have. In the first step, we're going to get all the mangoes and put it in. Okay, I'm gonna throw these now. After I throw these, I'm gonna wash my hands. Okay, I finished washing my hands. Now all we need to do is just pour all of this to the blender. It's very good. There. Now we put all the sugar. Number 1. Now we're going to add all the ice. It's very good. It's melted. Yeah, we're going to add the ice. The ice needs to be crushed. Now we'll wait. That's all. Thanks for watching, kids. Please like and subscribe.